Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some swim trunks. I am hoping to be going to Cancun here shortly, so I needed myself something to wear. So this one here says it's 9-inch men's inseam Harbor Gray is the color. Comes with a Ziploc bag. Not that you'd ever really need to re-zip clothes. I don't know. Just re-put clothes back in again. But okay. But this is how it looks here. These look nice. They are kind of made out of that swimsuit material there. It's got the strings on it. Inside it has the lining as well. And this is it here. I have a size large right here. I'm going to go ahead and try these on for you so you'll see what they look like. They seem like they're going to be pretty good. So hopefully it'll work out good for my swimming trip. Okay, so let's go ahead and aim y'all down here at me. Right down here, there we go. Kind of just have my shirt tucked in right now so you can see how it is. I'm about 185 pounds and 5'10", to give you an idea. So size large fits me fine. Maybe I could have gotten away with a medium, I'm not sure. But these are them. I actually have underwear on underneath just because, but it does have its lining in there. It's got that mesh right in there as well, so you can see that. And so it's got a big long pocket that goes down to the bottom. So if you're just using them as shorts or something like that, if you're going to be spending a day, these are going to be super comfortable to wear all day. Because it's got the pockets, you can put your phones in there or whatever else. They are super comfortable, and they're really they're thin but strong, so it'll probably dry nice and quick as well. So these are great. So hopefully I'll be able to use these in a couple of weeks when I head myself out of town, and I can tie them up. And they are good. Super comfortable. I'll probably just wear these on the plane. Be ready to jump right in the water. So super cool. Thumbs up. Very nice.